So, some of you have asked me how to make these Majorette roll properly. So I thought I'd get this guy brand new out of the package and I would show you how to do it. I can only just open this guy and I'll do a quick tutorial on how to adjust them so you can get them to roll, if not perfectly, almost perfectly. And I don't know if you guys have seen from my videos, rolling is important to me. So let's take a look and give it a shot with this beautiful little Majorette Porsche 930. So let me get a screwdriver and let's dig into this, and I shall show you. Okay, so first roll test is promising. It rolls pretty good as is. Does it have suspension? Yep. Got it. Not very noticeable, but it's definitely there. Now, let's see if we can make it roll better. So let's unscrew the base. And let's dig into it. So, it doesn't roll too bad. Now, I'm going to show you the trick to get this guy to roll nicely. And it involves the suspension. This guy right here. She's just going to take it out of the slots. So, first, the springs want to pull outwards. And they put pressure on the inside of the wheel hub because it's pushing outwards on it. That causes a little bit of friction. So first, let's try to get rid of that a little bit, not too much. Just every little bit helps. So just turn like this, a little bit more, and it's already been decreased, and there's barely no tension here. So if there's any friction there, it won't be too bad. Secondly, because the wire wants to return to its natural straight state when it is installed, and the suspension is there, it's installed like this a little bit, and that puts a lot of friction where the axles would be. So the trick here is to remove some of that friction by bending the spring in the middle so it looks like a V, like this. So let's see where we're gonna form that bend to make sure it's right in the middle, so it eases off the same amount of friction from the rear and the front axles. And here we're gonna just eyeball it. This is gonna be the middle right here. So this is where I wanna give it a little bit of a bend. So let me just get something here. And now let me see if you guys can see better. I'll just double check really quickly where it would be. Okay, it's right here in the middle. So I'm gonna just start giving it a little bit of a bend. Just push down. And can you guys see? One of them is already bent a little bit. I'm gonna just massage the other one. Don't use too much force, because then you'll go way overboard. So we just want to make sure both sides are more or less even bend-wise. So that looks pretty good. Now when you install it, you don't want to install it like this, because this is going to add even more friction. So you want to install it like this, so it's like a V. I don't know if you guys can tell. Anyways, okay, with a little bit of bend there, we're going to reinstall the suspension. And let's see if that little trick worked. Let's get this guy back on there in its slot. Oops. It's a little bit fidgety, but a little persuasion, we can get it there. Oh my gosh, okay. There you go. Got one side in. Now for the next side. And there you go. It feels, oh yeah, see that? See that? That's already better. Okay. If you guys are really serious about making your car roll better, you can also just add a drop of lubricant. Hopefully it's something that doesn't destroy plastic. Like I think a silicone lubricant would be okay as well. And now let's check to see if it still has suspension. So let's install one of the screws just to give it a quick spin. Boom. Oh, I hate it when the screws don't line up properly. And there you go. It's in. Okay. Now the rear one. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. There you go. Okay. Okay, there it is. Suspension check. Yep. You see that? See that? Boom. Fixed. And it's got suspension. Beautiful. So hopefully this helps you guys. Some cars are more difficult than others, but for this one, look at that. Look at that. Perfect. Cheers.